Ondo just hit the top 50. And while everyone's obsessing over Bitcoin, this tokenized real-world asset protocol is quietly lapping traditional stocks in efficiency. Here's the reality. Ondo Finance is solving a problem Wall Street refuses to acknowledge. Right now, if you own stocks, your capital sits in a custody system designed in the 1980s. Settlement takes 2 days. You can't fractionally own institutional assets. Yield, non-existent on most holdings. Meanwhile, Ondo's been tokenizing Treasury bills, corporate bonds, and commodities on Ethereum, letting retail investors access institutional-grade returns instantly, with no intermediaries. And the numbers prove it. Ondo's been climbing because real money is moving there. We're talking about institutions that need liquidity without sacrificing yield. That's a gap stocks simply can't fill anymore. Let's break down what makes Ondo different. Traditional finance forces you into one of two corners. Either you hold stocks and hope for capital appreciation, or you buy bonds and earn 4% while inflation eats 3%. There's no in-between. Ondo tokenizes that in-between. You can now hold a Treasury bill token earning 5.2% APY, trade it instantly, and never touch a traditional broker. That's not just convenient, that's a fundamental shift in how capital flows. But here's what most people miss. Ondo's real edge is governance and transparency. Every RWA token Ondo creates is backed by audited on-chain proof. You can see the collateral in real time. Compare that to buying a stock based on quarterly earnings reports a company's accounting team massaged. Crypto transparency beats equity opacity every single time. The market cap at rank 49 tells you adoption is just starting. When institutional RWAs hit mainstream, Ondo sits at the center of that infrastructure. We're not talking about speculative gains. We're talking about foundational utility that actually generates cash flow. So why hasn't this exploded yet? Because most retail investors still think crypto is pure speculation. They don't realize that the smartest money in finance has already moved to tokenized assets. Hedge funds, pension funds, family offices, they're building on protocols like Ondo because the economics are undeniable. One more thing, regulatory clarity is coming fast. Stablecoins and RWA tokens are the only crypto assets politicians and regulators actually want to encourage. That's not opinion. That's literally what every government's saying publicly. While other tokens fight regulatory battles, Ondo's building the infrastructure that regulators will mandate. Bottom line, Ondo represents the moment crypto stops being about hype and starts being about replacing broken financial infrastructure. Stocks made sense in 1995. In 2025, tokenized real-world assets are the obvious play. If you want more crypto breakdowns like this, subscribe to Crypto Sayans. We drop new videos every week.